This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
In this video, I will show you what is the psychology behind giving coupon codes discount or either free. Okay, as you can see, it says remove your coupon field. What does that mean is normally you will have a coupon code which you'll distribute to your potential customers or within your network, and then there will be a landing page where people can come and insert the promo code or coupon code here and then apply the discount. Now it is quite it has been tested quite well, and it has been proven as in sense that there is a low percentage of people who come with promo code because they tend to forget that there is because they have to they might forget the promo code, what the promo code is. Then they have to go to their email and then find the promo code, then come back. So there's a little bit of process there, and to cut down that process, the best thing to do is what you do is for example, just something like that. So all you have to do is you have to create a link with the discount already. So as soon as someone clicks the link, they get the discount right here. All right, so it will say your discount 10% has been applied already by default, and your tuition fee is this. Your discount has been applied already, and then you create your account. Okay, that this process becomes a little more easier for everyone, and then all you have to do is just create the link with the discount code and then send the link itself. So either they land up on this page and this page, who do you think that they're going to sign up right there and then? Okay, our goal or the objective is to get this $89 because that is the revenue, or that the sale happens only if you give them the discount. Okay, you're giving them the discount, you're giving them the promo code, then they'll take the promo code and come back here. So that process is a little bit overwhelming, but this one is quite straightforward. All you have to do is create a link and then send that link with the discount. Okay, next one is use exit intent pop-ups. These ones are initially there was quite a debate that it actually create a little bit of disturbance while people are on your landing page or on your website. However, with the growth hacking techniques, it actually is proven quite well in order to convert the abandoned visitors, people who are coming to your website, and then they once they go hover their mouse outside, like on the top. Let's say you're using Google Chrome and you have multiple windows on the top, and as soon as you go right there, you must have noticed there will be a pop-up come up, something like this or something like this. Okay, there's a pop-up, and at the back again, this is the original landing page. This is called exit intent pop-up, and what it does is the abandoned visitors, so who are about to go out, it shows them a very lucrative offer, or something offer which they cannot deny. So there has to be a catch. There has to be something which let them go and say yes just right here. So what will happen, two things, that they will be retained onto your website, and then straight away they will go to that particular page, what they've been looking for, what you have been trying to sell them. Okay, in this case, convert your bounce traffic into revenue. Yes, and now again the same same psychology, have the orange color, and then it says yes. Now no is a little bit dull, looks dull as compared to yes, and we want them to say yes, so that's why it's highlighted and says show me how, show me now. Okay, so I will rather tend to click this, but there will be small percentage of people who would actually go ahead and click this. There would be percentage of people obviously who wants to go out of the website. They will go anyways, but you are actually holding back some of them, and then you are retaining them. So this is quite of a retention strategy. It's called exit intent pop-up. Okay, so this is the other one. See if your company qualifies for a free interactive demo. And these are the 3 examples of pop-up. But the most important part which I want to highlight here is actually the content which goes here on the pop-up. If you're not giving them or the information what they want, they will still go out of the page and out of your website. So in order to reduce that, it will reduce 100%, it will reduce, but again, the offer has to be really, really lucrative. All right, so this is it about this video, and using exit intent pop-ups, and then the psychology behind giving promo code. You have to remove your coupon field and give them straight away the discount so that they come and sign up with no hassles. All right, I'll see you in the next one coming up. Bye for now.